Hi, this video is of another Stuart S50 mill engine that I own. The noise in the background is my Jensen 20 running. I just use the boiler for steam supply. They heat up very quickly with a 650 watt in-tank heater, and so that just lets me know that we're up to steam. We'll shut that off and we'll run our Stuart engine. Now, most of the Stuart engines that you find, these mill engines, have been bought as a casting kit and then assembled by someone. Unless you do it yourself, especially off eBay, you don't know who built it. You don't know how good a job they did, but I have one that runs real well that I bought. It was a mill kit, but this one I bought is a factory built engine. You can see on the box, I got the box that it came in. It says finished engine right on it. So although I have another S50, I particularly like this one. Very smooth running engine. I don't have the steam turned up too high on this, but just let you see that run. These are very nice engines. I'd love to have one of the Stuart beam type engines, but they usually bring a pretty good price. At least twice what these bring, so for now I'll settle for this one. Very nice engine. And there we have it. Thanks for watching my video.